Hi, I'm John. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the Vivaldi feed reader. It's built into the browser as part of Vivaldi Mail, meaning you can access it from your Mail panel. We've also included a separate feeds panel as well, so you can focus on reading and catching up on content there too. To make the feed reader visible in Vivaldi, you'll need to head to your settings and make sure that Mail, Calendar, and Feeds is enabled under the general settings. Vivaldi detects whether or not there are news feeds on a specific site that you're visiting, and if there are feeds available, there will be a little RSS feed icon up in the address bar here. And you can actually see it says page offers feeds. So when I click on that button, it will show me what feeds are available. I can preview the feeds and then click subscribe when I'm ready to add that to my feed reader. To see your feeds in action in Vivaldi Mail, you can open the Mail panel and there's a section for all of your feeds. And within that, you'll see how many unseen feed items you have for each channel that you've added to your feed reader. And when you click into each source, it will show all of the items from that feed. You'll notice these are displayed much like Mail items are in Vivaldi Mail as well, so you can mark these unread, mark them seen, filter them, sort them, search for them as you would any Mail items as well. So with the feed reader, you can also subscribe to your favorite YouTube channels just by visiting the channel you like, and then in the same way subscribe from the address bar. This gives you a way to watch the YouTube videos from your favorite channels without visiting YouTube and within Vivaldi Mail. There's also a few ways to manage your feed items from your settings. So if you open settings and you go down to feeds, you'll see all of the channels that you subscribe to or sites that you've subscribed to. And you can actually edit the titles, you can edit the addresses for the feeds, how often you want them to refresh, whether you want the items available offline as well. And there's an update all feeds button to force an update of all of your feeds. Also under settings, you have some options here for whether or not you want the browser to detect feeds in web pages or show notifications about new feed items, as well as embedding YouTube links in the attachments of the feed item. And of course, Vivaldi feed reader is privacy first. We don't see what you're doing with the feed reader. We don't know what sources you've added. We don't track your behavior at all. So give it a shot and let us know what you think, and like, subscribe, comment with any questions. Thanks for watching.